Let's try that trick again. Let's see if it can work. Hang on. Just gotta go there for a second. Here, show Grandma your new trick. Although it's pretty lame-o. In the grand scheme of things. Now you probably won't do it, will ya? Yeah, you're kind of close, I know. Work on it. Almost. Almost. Keep going. You're kind of stuck. Keep going. Your diaper butt's holding you back. Come on. Better to dip in the middle of your bed. Start over. Oh, hang on. There. How's that better? You gotta hurry, the movie's getting too long for YouTube. Uh-oh. Hey. Now you won't tip over, will ya? You try it? It's over here. Pretty good. Almost. Almost. Yeah. You were doing so good before. Yep, keep wiggling. Give it a try. Here's your other toys over here. It's over here. We're over here. Keep flipping around, buddy. You're almost over. Your diaper's, you gotta give it a swing, man. Your diaper's in the way. Oh! Oh, and he gets the gold star, except the part where he can't move his head because, well, he's got issues. Oh, well, no, because he's looking at his caterpillar. Say, see you later, Grandma. Bye.